8:30. Let's start at 6:30. Oh, hey, make sure you guys talking about me. It's time for practice. Come on.
Everybody.
Everybody, it's time for practice.
Yeah, and I invited her. Hopefully she'll come.
Come on.
Of course.
Yeah, fish hot.
Okay, hello everybody. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being on time. Today we're going to practice our song that we're going to take to Huntington Beach. Okay? Let's all stand. We're going to ask David to open our prayer. Okay, now I'm going to call Estelle. She's going to sing the song. We're going to go ahead and practice. We're going to, no papers, don't forget. We're going to be on stage today, okay? So you guys know the words? How do we stand up and all that on stage?